What happens when great minds come together to reach new heights? As we gather to reflect on our journey, let's embark on a celebration of achievements, unity, and innovation. "2023 is the year where UTM showcased excellence as a community of great minds achieving extraordinary milestones. Our academic and research pursuits have not only explored new frontiers, but have also resulted in innovative solutions, highlighting our commitment to excellence and distinction. We have made history as the first university in the nation chosen by the government to establish the Faculty of Artificial Intelligence in 2024.
Bagi memperhebat penerokaan bidang AI rentas disiplin ilmu, sukacita saya mengumumkan Pusat Pengajian Kecerdasan Buatan pertama negara, iaitu Fakulti Kecerdasan Buatan AI di UTM dengan peruntukan awal RM20 juta.
Proud of our exceptional students, UTM has become a powerhouse in the nation for producing graduates who are not only creative and innovative, but also future-oriented and compassionate. Our commitment to excellence was reflected in the fact that our graduates scored highest in the nation for MOHE's 2022 Graduate Employability Report and are the most sought after by employers. But our journey extended far beyond our borders. In 2023, we witnessed a remarkable surge in our global presence and prominence. We have also celebrated a milestone that will forever be etched in our history: the graduation of our first International Franchise Program students. As we expanded our horizons, we have become a global hub for education and innovation with impactful activities. Yet, beyond the numbers and accolades, the true essence of 2023 rooted in us uniting together and upholding our core values. Over the past year, our exceptional researchers have pioneered innovative solutions, transcending academic boundaries and positively impacting society. on the global stage, UTM shone brightly. We achieved excellence in the THE Impact Ranking 2023, securing the #1 position in the world for SDG 7 and maintaining our rank nationally and globally for SDG 9, and improved our international academic standings. So what defines the essence of 2023 at UTM? It is a year of many firsts. A year where we redefined excellence, unity and innovation. Thank you for being part of this extraordinary chapter in our UTM story. I am UTM. We are UTM. And together, we are innovating solutions kerana Tuhan untuk manusia.